Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a very tiny yet very effective motif for your projects. Several such small motifs can be joined together and made into a bigger project or bigger wearable and whatnot. It can be used in your free from crochet too. This is a 5 petal TC cluster heart motif. Okay, floral heart motif. It's just a 3 round pattern, a very simple pattern. This particular small piece I work with my hobby store Aran premium acrylic 5 ply non anti-pill yarn and a 5 mm clover crochet hook. Let's go into the video without any delay. Make a sliding loop or a magic ring, both mean the same, and lock the sliding loop with a chain. So it's locked now. Now chain 3, make a 3DC cluster. So this amounts to 4DC cluster. This is the beginning cluster. Chain 5. Make a 4DC cluster. Chain 5, 4DC cluster again. Now chain 3, 4DC together 2 times into this ring. So chain 3 now. 4DC cluster, 4DC together or 4DC bobble, both mean that all of them mean the same. So make 4DCs together, chain 3, 4DCs together, chain 3. I shall get back once I complete. Now chain 3, slip stitch and join on top of the first 3DC together. So you have 5 petals here. Now chain 1 single crochet, chain 1 half double, chain 1. Now DC chain 1 4 times into the ring. So I have done DC chain 1 4 times. Now place a half double crochet, chain 1 and a single crochet. Now repeat the set of instructions once in the next chain 5 space. So having repeated the stitch pattern, place a chain 1, place 4 single crochets in the next chain 3 space. So in the middle chain 3 space, before going there, chain 1, place 2 double crochet, a treble, 2 double. Now chain 1 and place 4 single crochets in the next chain 3 space. chain 1 and slip stitch and join to the first single crochet. So this is developing into the heart shape now. For row 3, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, totally 6 times. So after completing on this set of stitches, skip the next SC and place a single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet in chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet in chain 1 space. Totally you have to do 6 times. After repeating 6 times, now chain 3, single crochet on single crochet, chain 3, skip 1 and single crochet on single crochet, chain 3, skip this single crochet and place a single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet on DC, chain 3, single crochet on next DC. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and slip stitch on top of the into the third chain. The picot is done. Now what? Chain 2, skip the middle DC and single crochet on the next DC. Chain 3, single crochet on next DC, chain 3, single crochet into the next chain space, chain 3, skip one SC, single crochet on SC, chain 3, skip one SC, single crochet on SC, chain 3 and slip stitch and join onto the first single crochet here. So we complete the 5-petal floral heart. Hope you like this small effort of ours. If you happen to be the first time viewer, or if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. It's a request from us. Do like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.